Are you tired of losing your WhatsApp chats every time you switch phones? Or maybe you're struggling to move your messages between Android and iPhone without a headache? Well, no more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer all your WhatsApp messages, media, and attachments from one device to another using DrFone, the ultimate WhatsApp transfer tool. No more worrying about losing those precious messages during your phone upgrade. It's not just for WhatsApp. You can also transfer other messaging apps like WhatsApp Business, Line, Kik, Viber, and WeChat. DrFone is an all-in-one mobile solution that handles everything from data recovery and phone unlocking to transferring your favorite WhatsApp messages between devices. Whether you're switching from iPhone to Android or vice versa, DrFone has got you covered. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is install DrFone on your PC or Mac. The installation is simple and quick. Once you have it up and running, open the software. Please refer to the link available in the video description. Upon launching DrFone, you'll be welcomed by a clean, intuitive home screen that provides various options such as screen unlock, virtual location, WhatsApp transfer, data recovery, phone transfer, system repair, password manager, and data eraser. To begin, select WhatsApp transfer. This feature not only allows you to transfer WhatsApp data, but also supports data from WhatsApp Business, Line, Viber, Kik, and WeChat. Additionally, you can back up and restore data for all these apps. To proceed with transferring WhatsApp messages, simply choose Transfer WhatsApp Messages from the menu and connect both devices to your computer using USB cables. In this example, I'm transferring WhatsApp data between two Android devices, but the process is the same for any combination of devices. Once both phones are connected, make sure the correct source and destination devices are selected. If they're in the wrong order, don't worry, just click the flip button to switch them around. If you'd like to back up your WhatsApp messages, you can do so by clicking here. If not, click Continue to proceed. During the process, ensure that a reliable data cable is used for both devices to avoid any disruptions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and click Next. Once confirmed, the transfer of all your messages, photos, videos, and attachments will begin. For best results, ensure both devices remain connected throughout the process. Depending on how much WhatsApp data you have, this process could take a few minutes. But don't worry, DrFone handles everything efficiently, so you don't have to sit around for too long. And that's it! In just a few simple steps, all your WhatsApp chats, photos, and media have been successfully transferred to your new phone without losing a single message. Now, you can pick up right where you left off, no matter what phone you're using. Whether you're switching from Android to iPhone to Android, or just upgrading your device, DrFone makes the whole process seamless. What if you want to back up your WhatsApp data or restore it to a different phone later? DrFone has you covered. Simply navigate to the Backup WhatsApp Messages section and click on it. Connect your phone. Follow all on-screen instructions carefully and click Next to proceed. DrFone will create a full backup of your WhatsApp data and save it to your computer. To restore the data, go to the Restore WhatsApp Messages tab. Select the backup you previously made, connect your phone, and click Restore to Device. It's that easy. With this feature, you can create a secure backup and restore it to any device, making it especially useful if you frequently switch phones. If you're tired of the hassle of transferring WhatsApp chats or worried about losing important messages, DrFone is your solution. It's fast, simple, and reliable. Make sure to check out the link in the description to download DrFone and give it a try for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.